What is up, everybody? I'm back with another Retro Ball video, and today I am oh yeah, well, obviously posting this. Basically this is a little recap. We lost to Tampa Bay, lost to Carolina, won against Tennessee, won against Miami, lost against Baltimore pretty badly, and lost against, won against Houston, lost against New Orleans badly. And now we're going against Tennessee, pretty much fighting for. We're defending for second place right now. We are at home. This is the roster. We got Koa, Cassius. Glad to have him back. Obviously, we've proven that we've needed him. We got Kenny Hill and Mortez Babix. Then Hassan Eastland. And yeah. This Luke guy, he's pretty bad. He's very slow, but we got a pretty good kicker that can prove to hit from 61 or 62. I'm pretty sure. Let's get in this Tennessee kicks off. Kicks off. All right, sure return. Hitting DK. Okay, the first play too. The very first play too. Okay. Come on, you've proven that you can run. Okay. Okay, makes a man miss. Can we do both of them? Come on again. No. I was trying to juke them again. Come on, hit it. Ah. Okay. Chestnut. Got in the end zone. 20 yards. Okay. Let's tie it up here with a brand new kicker. Nailed it. Passing. Oh my goodness. Let me guess. Yep, I know it's something with Luke. Okay. Yeah, he's so slow. Okay, dot. 20 yards. Okay. Alright, you know what? It's his first game back. Let's hand it off to him and let him do his thing, alright? Okay, 2 yards, 2 yards. Okay. Okay, the no name catches it. I'm just gonna, yeah, go down. Okay. Okay. 5 yards. Okay. Okay. Alright, he caught it. 20 yards. First down. Okay, 12. That's 12 yards. Do a little quick pass and dive in. 8 yards. Okay. Now we should be able to tie the game up here. Alright, 14-14. Oh my goodness, our defense is so bad. Hurdles over him. 15 yards. Okay. Seven yards. Okay. I'll be a little quiet so I can kind of focus. Another fumble? Seriously? And we let them score too. And we get sacked. I'm just throwing it up. And it's intercepted. Okay. He just does not have the arm strength. He does not have that good of arm strength in order to be able to do that. He caught it for 15, but that doesn't even matter. Okay. Down by 16. Our receivers keep fumbling. and our offense is just not that good. Okay. Okay, I was hoping we can make another man miss, but 25. That's good. Okay, 14 yards. In the end zone. Okay. Please, defense. Hold them. Please. Oh my goodness. Why is our defense so bad? Just go out of bounds. Another fumble! Dude, three fumbles. And that's why we lose, because we're not always, and now they're dropping easy passes. Oh my goodness. So first they fumble three times. Okay. 9 yards. Okay. 10. 10 yards. Okay. 15. Oh my goodness. Dive. Okay. I mean, we're gonna lose either way, but like, might as well like try to score a touchdown. I mean, we know we can't win, but at least make us feel a little better. Okay, they just want to mock us at this point. Oh my god. We missed a 61 yarder somehow. Oh my goodness. Okay. I know we lost, but could we like make it less embarrassing? Yeah, I'm calling the last time out. Whatever. If we get this onside kick and tie it up. Oh wait, we can't even win. Yeah, we can't even. Yeah, whatever. Okay, doesn't want to mock us. Yeah, I'm throwing an interception. I don't care. We're gonna lose. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I feel like I gotta switch the difficulty down to medium because I'm sorry. It's just I'm not that good at the game. Okay. Against New York, the New York Jets. Hopefully we can do something. Okay. 25 yards. It's already way easier than hard mode. Okay, 13 yards. Watch me like blow them out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is already too easy. Okay, okay. Maybe hard mode really is it. Dang. Wait. I wonder if you can like change the difficulty mid game. No, you can't. Okay. Okay, 5 yards. No one is open. Literally no one. And I threw an interception instead of just running to the quarterback. Yeah, I'm dumb. Okay, 13 yards. Okay. Yeah, this is really easy, medium, and yeah, this is just kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Well, defense is still trash, so that hasn't changed. Okay, at least I didn't throw an interception. Oh my goodness. Why is medium this easy? Like, okay. Horde mode and medium is such a big difference. Okay, yeah. Murphy, okay, yes. This defense is super bad. And he missed the diving catch. I mean, he's wide open. 16 yards, okay. Okay, I'm just glad that wasn't intercepted. Okay, 9 yards. And yeah, let's not make the same mistake again. And this time it's actually ran it with him, and it's a gain of 8. Easy. Okay, 22 yards. That's pretty good. Alright, 18 yards. Yeah, I'm switching it back to hard after this. Because if I keep going on medium, I'm just gonna win every single game. Our defense really needs to. I need to do something about that defense. I'm just throwing a rocket. He caught it. I wasn't expecting that though. Okay, 6 yards. Throw a bullet. Just runs past everyone apparently. And a touchdown. Okay. So yeah, I'm starting a new series. I'm deleting my original Vikings franchise series in Madden 23 and starting a new one. So yeah, be looking forward for that one tomorrow. Juke, I'm just goaded. I am just goaded like that. And let's just celebrate. Okay, yeah, we missed it. Whatever. Well, we won the game. We're 4-5. We're not even in the hunt. Oh my goodness, our defense is so. Oh, let's look at his catching. Stamina. Okay, okay. Let's just show up the whole difficulty. Jeez, man. Alright. They're on the ball. Oh my goodness. When was the last time I made a stop on defense? That's my question. Okay. Okay, 11 yards. That's good. That's good. That's good. And you're also back on hard difficulty. No! Oh, I thought that was about being intercepted, but he caught it. And he dropped it. Okay, wow. Oh, I was trying to go out of balance because I'm just really scared of them fumbling at this point. Please, let's go. 16 yards. Okay, alright. Oh my goodness. Our defense just can't do anything. Like, the Vikings defense is better than that. Okay, that was a satisfying catch. Like, look how smooth. Oh, I accidentally skipped the replay. Okay, I'm just diving. I don't want them to fumble. Yeah, I'm diving. I'm diving. I can't. I'm not risking them fumbling right now. I think I should have somewhat of a clear path to run. 6 yards. Okay. The running back walking in. Okay. Okay. Made it. We actually made a stop. I'm very shocked. Okay, dive. Yep, we're diving. Just go out of bounds. Yeah. I'm not risking them fumbling right now. That's why I'm gonna be diving pretty much every play. 5 yards. Okay, 10 yards. Okay. Props for the defense making that surprising stop. But they can't do it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Hold your blocks. 11 yards. Okay. Okay. Okay, I didn't know where else to throw. There's probably someone open, but I probably just didn't see it because I'm blind. Okay, I should have probably dived there, but whatever. I'm taking off. Go. Yep, okay, nice. Alright, 10 yards. Dive, okay. The no-name tight end. The no-name tight end. 6 yard touchdown. And the kick is up. Dude, this defense. Wow. Wow. Okay, we got tackled for a loss. Okay. 6 yards. Okay. Alright, 7 yards. Okay, okay, okay. Decent, decent. 11 yards. Alright. And then go out. Okay, Probably a thank you to the running back. That probably would have been intercepted. In the end zone, 16 yards. Okay, tie it up. Let's make a field goal game, boys. This is actually pretty scary. 6 yards. Okay. 12 yards. No risks. No risks. 5 yards. 10 yards. Actually, yeah, I might as well go for a touchdown here. But again, try not to be dumb with the football. Okay. 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 I didn't realize. Okay. He got it. That was probably the dumbest idea I've ever done. But I did it. We won. Oh man, we won. Okay. We won 5 games. We're 500. We're in the hunt now for the playoffs. I can't believe it's already week 10. Wait, when do we got a bye week? Week 14. Oh my goodness. Okay. He started a party. Okay. Do I want to witness the pain of losing? No, I'm simulating it. I don't care. Like, I know we're gonna get absolutely demolished. Yeah, I really don't care. Like, I don't want to I don't want to play through that moment. Okay. The We're gonna get Seattle next. Let's see. Played against Tennessee, New York Giants, Jacksonville. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episodes. Bye.